Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I made a video on the life of a violinist, like what I do with my violin, how I tune, all of that. Also, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. So let's get to the video. Welcome to the life of a violinist, and this is my violin case. This is me opening my violin case and me struggling to do it. This is also me trying to get it open, but I did. Well, that's the inside of my violin case. It has a violin and a bow. This is me just doing an overview of what I keep. I have a sticker. I am a ninja violinist. I'm grabbing my rosin. I'm grabbing out my bow. And look at that, I'm grabbing out my violin. I am tightening my bow. You gotta make sure it's tight, but not too tight. And this is me rosining my bow. You have to add a lot of rosin, but not too much rosin. So I'm just giving it maybe 5 to 10 times of rosin. And there I am with my instrument. I'm putting on my shoulder rest so it's not painful to play with. And as you can see, I'm struggling. I remember it with it upside down with a happy face. And I go straight into playing. No tuning, no double checking, no nothing. Totally. I mean, you can just play without tuning, right? Don't worry, I actually tuned. And there I am. I'm using a fine tuner. It works with vibration, so I attach it to the peg of the violin, and it shows you what note you're at and if you're too high or too low. So I'll just play a few seconds of me tuning. I purposely untuned my violin for this, but I'm not going to play it because it sounded really bad. But it is a hard struggle if you do not have fine tuners. Luckily, I have fine tuners on my violin. Otherwise, this would have been a little challenging. But I have a tuner, so that's amazing. Now I am tuning using my fine tuners instead of my pegs because I got really close to the note, and this is on a time lapse, so it will be really fast. I finished! Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!